This is how you easily can design your heart. You fold the paper and you draw half of the heart, and when you're satisfied you can cut it out. I am using a woolen fabric and I have folded it so I can trace around the heart so the fabric is double, and I pin the pattern, trace around it and cut. I'm going to add a nice ribbon so I can hang my heart. So I have cut a ribbon and it's about 20 centimeters. I lay it in between the fabrics, which is right sides together. I pin the ribbon and then I pin around the heart. When you sew around your heart, you're going to leave an opening of about 4 centimeters on one of the straight sides. Sew with a straight stitch, and when you get to a sharp corner you stop with the needle in the fabric and you raise the presser foot and spin it around. You need to cut in the seam allowance where you have edges going inwards, and you can also, if you want, cut away any excess seam allowance. Turn the right sides out. Fill the heart. Fold the raw edges in and pin it. Hand stitch the opening closed. I am going to use a slip stitch. I have a knot on the thread which I hide in between the fabrics, and then I sew on the folded edge on the one side and then I hop straight over to the other side, so you will get an invisible seam. Once you have sewn the opening shut, you can fasten the thread. You can do that by sewing on the same place several times or make a knot.